What's going on, guys? Today is a very special day. We are going to be installing this JDL Overpipe front pipe combo. Now, the car already, as is pretty loud. But soon we're going to be installing a forced induction system, which I know I've mentioned in the past. This will just be the final piece of the pie before we put on the forced induction kit. And casually, we got the LS3 swap BRZ next to it. So yeah, this is the JDL Overpipe front pipe combo. Basically what that means is you have this V-band clamp here, which means it's a combination. You can't just sell just the overpipe or just the front pipe. You have to get it both together. And this is the 3-inch option with the dual resonated. Now, my current exhaust setup is a JDL unequal length header as well as a BRZ 3-inch catback. I will leave a link in the corner here so you guys can take a listen to that. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm also going to steal the front pipe off of this car and put it on the white FRS. Alright, so we got the car up on jack stands. I even put some tires underneath just as insurance in case the car falls, but that shouldn't happen. I got all my tools here. What I'm going to be using is a Milwaukee Impact with a 14 to it for the motor mounts and the front pipe, and you'll need some open end wrenches as well. So this was a 14, these were two 12s. I didn't charge the camera, so unfortunately the camera died, but luckily I caught it in time. So I got the front pipe already out. It was kind of a pain, especially not using a lift. I had to go underneath with my feet and use my legs as leverage to get the bolts off because these were really tight. I have not removed the front pipe on this car yet, and this is from 2013, so almost 12 years of unbroken bolts. So luckily it wasn't too hard to do, but here are the front pipes side by side. And I also forgot I have a 2.5-inch front pipe as well. This is what I originally got for this car, but the white FRS had a 3-inch JDL pipe, so luckily for me I can show you guys actually the difference. So here's the difference between the 2.5-inch and 3-inch. Well, obviously the diameter, but looking at it in person, I mean, that's actually crazy to see like half an inch of a difference. And keep in mind, that's going to change the sound of your car a lot. The 3-inch will give it a lot deeper of a tone. Using the 3-inch overpipe, you're definitely going to have to raise the engine and fit this through. The 2.5-inch, I think you can get away with just sliding it in. You'll have to touch the engine, but this, you'll have to definitely raise the engine. That's what we're going to do next. Going to raise the engine, get the stock overpipe out, put this one in, and then bolt everything up. So to undo the motor mounts, you get underneath the car, obviously. The motor mounts are right here, and you can use a 14 millimeter. See if I can show it. That's the 14 millimeter you're going to undo. You're not going to undo it completely. You're going to keep it in the thread, but you're just gonna do it just enough to where the motor can sit up and you can get the overpipe from over the subframe. So you can kind of see how this is positioned, how it's literally over the subframe. That's why it's called the overpipe. Gonna undo the motor mount and get this overpipe out. Alright, so we just got done doing the install for the BRZ. So we did the JDL overpipe and front pipe combo. So altogether, this car has a full exhaust. So right now it has a JDL unequal length header with the JDL overpipe front pipe combo and a discontinued BRZ catback. But here is a cold start with the full exhaust setup. And as far as the sound of the exhaust, I know it's going to be farty, I know it sounds bad, but for now, this is how it's going to sound before I put the turbo on. Because when you put the turbo on the car, it will reduce the amount of fartiness that the car will have. So I'm hoping when the turbo is on, it will be a little bit less farty. If it's still farty after the turbo, I will be putting a more restrictive front pipe on it. But for now, I'm going to have to deal with this for now.